everyone, welcome back to Filigree Racing. Now, this episode, we got to go through, I need to get everything taken care of on the car to be able to get it out there, to get it caged from Powerneedy. Now, the things that we have left is I have the engine to do, I have the interior, I need to kind of button things up, I need to trim inside the doors, get all the doors stripped and gutted, but not too crazy. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start weighing everything to show you how much weight loss we actually lost by doing everything that we're doing. Obviously, I'm not going to be weighing things that are going to be going back in the car. But at the end of this video, I'll be able to kind of tell you how much weight loss we had. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Okay, so at this point, the engine's out. I went through, I did do the inside. I kind of stripped some things. I'm kind of losing my voice. Apologies for that. But let's flip the camera around and we can show you what's going on, what it actually looks like. And so you get a good idea of where we're actually at. Okay, so we got the engine. We've got the radiator. That is the... basically the crash bar. Now, our engine bay is pretty empty. I mean, we pulled the engine out. Obviously, it's sitting here. We have, different things, more things. So that's all done. Pulled the exhaust so that we kind of can get that sold. There's all of this. I'll be scaling that as soon as we get it unloaded at Powerneedy. I'll be shooting back here, unloading that. I did pull off all of our brake set, all that stuff, because these brakes are needing to be sold. But let's kind of look inside. Now, this is current state, all that fun stuff, right? So I ran out of time. I did not get the matting directly underneath the pedals and stuff. I just ran out of time on that. But I did get it on the other side. I was hoping to strip the doors out, but I'm going to have to tell him that, if they're in his way, cut out whatever he needs and go from there. But we mounted our seats back in so he knows where the harness bar needs to go. These are our Sparco QRT seats. Both of them are QRTs. Stupid light. Kind of. Show you, I mean, the back is still, gutted. All right, so... that kind of shows you where the car's at. It's pretty stripped down. There's not a whole lot left to do. We're just kind of waiting on our buddy to show up so we can load it up and get it up to Powerneedy. And then I'll cut back. After we get loaded up, I'll cut back into the video and I'll kind of give you an update on how much weight we lost and all that stuff. So, see you in just a second. All right, everyone. So the car's now out of the garage, everything that way. So now there's probably not going to be any updates for a little bit, just because Powerneedy needs to kind of do his thing. I did, as you can see, there's the engine, but the engine's out. Powerneedy's now going to do an 8-point cage in it. We're going to tie it into the front strut tower bars. I did go through and I did scale everything that we removed, and it came to 75 pounds, which is quite a bit, but still not as high as I was really hoping for. I did not, however, if you kind of look over this way, that is actually my front clip section. I did not scale any of that. I will be doing a tubular on that when the car comes back to me. That's not a big deal. Apologize for, I'm losing my voice. I've had a really long couple days, but so that's going to be done. But so this is pretty much it for updates for a little bit, just because, we need to wait on that. I'm going to start kind of doing things around here. I need to take apart the engine. I need to, I'll be making a destruction video here pretty soon of some stuff that I've been waiting to destroy. But that's going to go ahead. That's going to wrap up this video. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll see you on the next one. So have a good one.